Right, over to you, mate. Over to you. 1K in the balance.
Well, you need to stream.
Okay. All right. All right. There you go. Right. What are we doing?
Okay. Let's go about maybe a 200.
All right.
We'll do it on maybe 2-3 standard jackpot.
Okay. What price range?
So obviously,
Yeah.
and then let's just do those 8.
8. I'll just sort of send it with that. You can do 2 more. That'll do, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on, bro. You got this. You didn't expect to get picked either, did you? On the giveaway bot. No, I remember talking to you on in DMs. Obviously, I put another spot up. There's another random spot up as well, so someone's going to get picked in a few days for that. Oh, it's standard. But look how many baits, bro. Just a sea of eggs. Okay, that's good. It's like 1.3. 1.1. Okay, my bad.
99% of the.
No, we got some. We got some. Hold on. Gold. They. Oh my god, that's a good pull, bro. That's 2.8.
Huge.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
This is the medium risk one, or like medium high. You're fine. You're fine. It's a red though. 700.
Boys, before we get lost in the video, I just wanted to remind you to check out the X. We're consistently doing knife giveaways over there, and then also the Discord. There's a great community over there with free battles and other giveaways, and the new code Teebee, Teebee, eligible on every deposit you make for 5% extra on your deposit, and makes you eligible for giveaways going into the future for promo code only users. Please check it out. That'll be linked below. All right, back to the video.
Yeah, this is juicing. This is juicing. It's nearly a double up already. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, this is a chunky battle though already. Okay, that's alright. It's fine. Worst pull. One of the worst pulls in it. Papa Cabasso. Oh, okay.
So even. I don't like how even it is.
Yeah, I know. I know. It's literally dead on even as well, because you got 45, 12. They've got a little bit more, I guess. Oh no.
Not for long.
Bro, just bro.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any gold.
No, I don't think there is one. I think it's medium risk. 1K though. Oh no. Oh no.
No. Really, penny, bro. Oh. In series 5 0.
Even series piping up. It's crazy.
One. Was a hit.
Oh no, come on. Just jackpot, please don't mess us up. You got it! You got it, bro! How much is that? 638. 638. Okay, I'll leave it. What are we doing?
Now we've got a little bit of fun money.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. Any of these? Normal, team, shared?
I would say let's do a 3-way.
3-way, yep.
Yeah.
Jackpot, no jackpot.
Yeah, Jack borrowed mode. Like, yeah, just do full borrow, and then let's just have a bit of fun with it.
What range?
A little bit. Well, let's just do pure 1%.
Pure 1%, okay.
Pure
So
1%. Do like 100 points worth of
just that.
Yeah.
Just that.
Yeah, just that.
Okay. Crazy jackpot or normal jackpot?
Normal.
Fair enough.
I mean, realistically, you either hit or
Yep, I mean, it's 50-50. Think about it.
yeah, exactly. I actually see it.
Yeah.
And again.
No. No. Oh!
Oh. That was.
It's alright, you wasted all them tickets. Tickets are going to be hot as hell. Alright, I will just say now we've run it, because I didn't want to have any influence, I hate the balls series of cases. Because I always pull the 3x. Like, it's horrible. They're fake. Alright, it's alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's alright, you got plenty of chances to hit something, I guess, but
Hit this. Oh, that would have been crazy.
chasing that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is nutty. Surely there's a hit on this 10%. Somewhere. Oh god.
God. Wait.
Oh.
Wait, best.
Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. I hate it because you get the 3x. W rain staff and community.
Oh my god.
You couldn't make it up.
Bullying. That is bullying. Ready, first case, spin it right.
Alright, okay, calm down.
Calm the fuck down.
Calm down. Oi! That's good. That's good. 1.3. Oh, he doesn't miss.
You know what? It's actually so sad. It's like,
Yeah.
This is serious.
Oh.
More?
Oh! At least a 2x.
Go on, go.
That's alright, it's alright. That was fast and I got scared. Bro.
You fucking dirty little
300.
The last one.
Yeah.
Okay, this is crazy mode. I
Oh,
need to remember. Right now we're losing.
okay. Don't worry about it. We're 4K. Pretty much need to pull. Okay, that's helped, but it's terrible still.
Is that terrible?
Yeah, 400 coins.
Wait,
It is for the... Oh.
there we go.
It's like 400, 200, 400, 260. Oh god. Yeah. That's an M1 fade. Oh god. Oh. Okay, this is juicy, bro. This is juicy now. Simple sticker, that's decent, right? Surely that's decent. 3.4k! Oh.
Blue, you're holding it down.
Yeah. That's an Icarus fail. No.
Do it, could be shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god. And of course it fails at the end. You win it! 700 coins, bro. That was ballsy. I mean, the rogue isn't going to hit, but if it does... Oh. Okay, it needs 4k. It can, if it's reason sticker, you're fine. Don't go down. Don't go down. 66.53. Total, you've got 1575. This is, I mean, you still end, like, if you end it, you're ending on a K, which is money back. So, pretty decent. All right, standard as well. It's standard as well.
Bro, it was standard. Go on, top bullet.
That's not bad. That's not 1.7. That's not bad. Oh, okay.
Let's go.
That's really shit.
Whatever. Better than
It's fine. It's money. It's money. Yeah, yeah. Oh god, this ain't even the big cases, bro. Oh, oh no.
Oh dear. Oh dear. 700
Just
for a purple.
yeah, yeah. You know it's gonna be bad.
Hey, I feel like that's shit though.
No, that's 2.7.
One more goal for the win. Oh. Oh.
What are you doing? You staying there, or you going?
Let's run it back. For the content.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
if it's the last,
Yeah.
then that's the 38 upgrade.
Okay. That seems fair. That seems smart-ish.
Shit.
Oh. Surely.
Sick.
3k. Maybe a Dragonor. Maybe a Dragonor.
Maybe some
Oh.
anything. Something. Hello. Oh, okay.
Oh no.
Again.
It's happening again.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
It's a friggin' 3k. Okay.
Oh.
Hold on. Okay, okay. I don't know what's in this.
Gold, any gold, gold.
Okay, it's like 2. That must be 2k, surely. 2.2. Oh no.
Nothing that's
It's purple, it's purple, it's purple, it's purple, it's purple. You want it, you want it, you want it. 839.
bang, bang.
Nice. Alright, as what?
3 player shared.
Yeah.
Same. Your favorite? What's your favorite 100 game?
Probably Jonkin and Piggy Bank.
Let's just run the jump. 277 worth.
Literally. Well, you'll get 3 coins. You'll get 3 coins, surely. Best pull I've ever had is the butterfly knife. Yeah, if you get the sticker. Oh. Yeah. Second case in. Nah, that's terrible. My bad. Oh no. Dear God. Okay.
Okay, come on. Butterfly or sticker. Any gold. Any gold. Any gold. Oh, that was too many.
Ah, it's 900 though. Wild Lotus is right there.
One more. One more for the road.
No. You're 94.
Oh.
90 over 100,000, so.
Okay, so let's go to 3v 1v1v1.
Yeah.
Standard borrowed jackpot.
Yeah.
Pure keys. Purely the keys.
Purely the keys. Alright, fast mode that. Surely you get a Karambit.
I'm gonna pull the ground.
Yeah, well, you'd hope so. Oh no.
Oh shit. Oh shit. It's alright, he's gonna pull the fucking shop. Oh, and
It's profit. Oh shit.
oh. Oh.
And another one.
So, this is why you play crazy mode.
I don't know. Oh, yeah, maybe.
Oh, this is why this would have been an automatic W.
Yeah. Yeah. You got 10 cases. I mean, you could still do it. Yeah. There you go. Bang.
Okay, Karambit. Karambit in the top 4. Shit all over it. Of course.
You can't make it up.
Yeah, no, of course. Is he gonna give me one more? Probably not. You know what? 5, 6, 9.
If you had any other skin, you would have won that. That was such a low jackpot ticket. Are you happy with a K?
No.
No?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
We realistically, right now we're not in profit.
Okay, what do you want to do then?
Or
Oh,
has to be pulled.
how much is that left you with? 300 coins.
Leave it
Right.
at
Leave it at that.
that. Or
Yeah, bro, I would.
slap 50 on chicken.
50.
Yeah, slap 50 on each. And I'll leave it at the 2.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Right.
5k.
I mean, yeah. Yeah. We'll see, we'll see. No. Right. Thanks for coming. 211 coins. Not bad.
I'll take it. I'm sure I didn't do the work.
Yeah, well, you'll see it in the Discord, mate, and then we'll work our way up. We've now finished the first 4, so it's on to the next ones, and then you'll see your opponents and whatever, and that'll be posted in the tournament tab. So, best of luck.
Nice one. Cheers for having me, bro.
No worries, no worries. All right, peace.